Welcome to the training video on client letters. This video will cover the necessary permissions and steps for generating various client letters. To view letters, users will need several permissions, including Manage Clients and View Letters for various types such as Certificate of Balance, Client Detail, Final Payment Letter, and more. All are listed here for reference. Users will also need permissions to print and reprint letters. These permissions apply to a letter of demand, Certificate of Balance, Client Detail, Final Payment Letter, Own Letters, Personalized Statement, and Settlement Letter. Additional permissions include Letter of Demand, processing for Client Letter of Balance and Client Letter of Demand per loan, browse and download files, manage letters, and manage documents. To enable these, navigate to Setups, Security, Roles, then Edit Role. Under Letters Setup, you will find several available letter types. These include Certificate of Balance, Final Payment Letter, Personalized Statement, Settlement Letter, and 5 custom Own Letter options. Under the Document Setup, the available types of letters are Client Detail and Letter of Demand. To configure your letter templates, navigate to Setups, Letters, and type the content of your letter. To insert merge fields, select the document group and insert the token from the available list. For the Letter of Demand configuration, go to Setups, Documents, highlight the letter, and select Edit Document. Type the content and use the document group to insert merge fields with the appropriate tokens. To access client letters, navigate to Client Administration, search for a client, and select Letters. To generate a letter, simply select the desired letter from the list provided. After generating, click on the link to open and download the letter. Remember not to use the back or refresh buttons of your browser. Use your browser options to print and save your letter. The menu usually provides options like Print and Save Page As. For electronic signatures, use the specified tokens for creditor and debtor in your letter configuration. When generated, the letter will prompt for signatures, which are processed using the ALPS USB terminal. To generate a letter of demand, navigate to Client Administration, search for a client, and select Loans. Highlight the loan and select Letter of Demand. Enter the minimum number of days the loan is in arrears. Click Finish, then use the link to open and download. Use your browser to print and save. To generate loan letters, highlight the loan and select Letters. Choose a letter from your list, click the link to download, and use your browser to print and save it. The Letter of Demand and Letter of Balance can be generated in batches. Navigate to Processing Client. To email letters, the Maxmail module and email credits are required, and clients must have email addresses. To send a letter of demand to multiple clients, enter the minimum number of days in arrears. You can choose to either display letters or email letters to clients as the process method. Once the process status is completed, you can view and download the generated letters in DocSpace. To generate the letter of balance for multiple clients, go to Processing, Client, and then Process Client Letter of Balance. The date of balance should be the previous month end. You can choose to display letters or email letters to clients. Afterward, check the processing status, and once completed, view and download the letters in DocSpace. Thank you for watching this training video on client letters.